Getting started with your Bringnox Motorized Roller Shades is easier than ever. Everything you need comes right in the box, pre-assembled. Shades, the bracket, remote, the charging cable, and a detailed instruction manual. Thanks to the innovative tool-free design, these shades mount with a single click. Just position the brackets, snap the roller into place, and you're good to go. No drills, no screws, and no headaches. To charge the motor, it's very simple. Simply connect the charging cable. My motor is on the right-hand side. Whether you're fitting them inside the window frame for a sleek, modern look, or outside to maximize blackout coverage, installation takes just minutes. Measure, mark, press, and lock into place. Push, snap, and let go. In the box is the remote, and included as well are the batteries. You can also pause it so it stops halfway. This Bringnox Motorized Roller Shade has been one of the smartest upgrades I've made to my room so far. It's smooth, stylish, silent, and smart. Literally. Look at that smooth, quiet, and completely blackout. Whether I'm watching a movie, taking a nap, or just blocking the glare off my screen, this shade does the job perfectly. To set up the app was a breeze. It supports Matter, so it connects with everything. Google Home, Alexa, Apple, HomeKit, SmartThings. Just add it to the app, and I had full control in minutes. It has Smart Assistant, so you can actually talk to it with your phone. So you could say, Alexa, open the living room shade. And just like that, no response, no delay, no fuss. One of my favorite features is scheduling. I set it to open at 7 a.m. to let the morning light in and close at 8 p.m. for privacy. You can create custom routines that match your daily habits. And believe it or not, installation was incredibly simple. It's already mounted here, but let me walk you through the process of how easy it was. The shade comes pre-assembled. I just measured my window, mounted the brackets, clicked the roller into place, and that was it. Took me less than 15 minutes. Now, your motor is rechargeable. Just plug in the USB Type-C cable, and you're set for 4 to 6 months. You can even connect a solar panel if you want and make it completely hands-free. And the blackout is no joke. This material is thick, durable, and blocks out 100% of the light. Plus, it's wrinkle resistant, easy to clean, and certified safe. Between the look, the silence, the smart controls, and how easy it was to install, this Bringnox shade is absolutely worth it. Whether it's for a bedroom, office, or any room in your home, it's a game changer. Another thing I've really noticed since installing this Bringnox shade is how much it helps with temperature control. It helps keep the room cooler during the day and warmer at night, especially now that summer's kicking in. By blocking out UV and direct sunlight, it's not just about comfort, it also helps reduce energy costs. Less strain on the AC, especially in the afternoons. That's something I didn't expect just from a window shade. And because it's cordless, it's totally safe around kids and pets. No dangling cords, no choking hazards, so you get that peace of mind too. It's just one of those upgrades that start to feel essential the longer you live with it. Once you get used to the automated shades that actually work, you're not going back. One last thing I really liked, the design. It's minimal, modern, and fits pretty much any room style. You can choose from over 50 different fabric options and textures, so there's something for every space. Whether you're going for blackout in the bedroom, light filtering in the living room, or full automation in the office, Bringnox has you covered. It's not just smart, it actually looks good too, and that matters.